Hey there, my festive friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we're diving into the world of creative Christmas decorations made with wine corks. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic ideas, offer some tips and tricks, and talk about the environmental benefits of recycling wine corks in your holiday decor. So let's get crafty. Why wine corks? Before we jump into the crafty part, you might be wondering why wine corks are such a great choice for Christmas decorations. Well, there are several good reasons for that. Using wine corks for decorations is a fabulous way to recycle and upcycle. It's environmentally friendly because it reduces waste and gives these little cork stoppers a second life. So not only are you making your home festive, but you're also helping the planet. Wine corks have a rustic and warm look that pairs beautifully with the cozy and inviting atmosphere of Christmas. They add a touch of rustic charm to your decor, making your space feel more homey and comforting. Corks are readily available, especially if you enjoy a glass of wine now and then. So you might already have the main material you need right at home. Wine corks are lightweight, easy to cut, and can be glued together with standard craft glue. They're perfect for all skill levels, from crafting beginners to seasoned pros. Cork stoppers date back to ancient civilizations. The ancient Egyptians used them in amphorae to seal wine. However, it was the Romans who truly popularized cork as a stopper for wine containers. Cork comes from the bark of cork oak trees, which are native to the Mediterranean region. These trees can live for over 2 centuries and are a critical part of the ecosystem, supporting a wide range of wildlife. One of the key reasons cork became such a popular choice for wine stoppers is its sustainability. Unlike other materials, cork is harvested without harming the tree, and the bark regrows over time. Now, let's dive into some awesome ideas for using wine corks in your Christmas decorations. One of the most iconic Christmas decorations is the Christmas tree, and you can make a miniature version using wine corks. First, you'll need to paint your wine corks green. This will give them that classic Christmas tree look. Let them dry completely before moving on. Glue your wine corks in a triangular shape on your sturdy base, starting with a single cork at the top as the tree topper. Make each row slightly wider as you work your way down, just like a real tree. Add a star or other ornament to the top, and if you like, you can paint some corks red and gold to resemble ornaments on the tree. Get as creative as you want. Wreaths are a classic holiday decoration, and you can make a unique and eco-friendly one using wine corks. Just like with the tree, you'll want to paint your wine corks green to mimic the appearance of leaves. Allow them to dry. Attach the painted wine corks to the wreath form using craft glue. You can use a hot glue gun if you prefer. Start at the outer edge and work your way in, filling in the gaps. If you like, add some small ornaments, pine cones, or fake greenery for extra flair. Don't forget to attach a ribbon for hanging. Creating your own ornaments is a fun and personal way to decorate your Christmas tree. Wine cork ornaments are a charming addition. If you want, you can paint your wine corks in various colors or patterns. This step adds a unique touch to your ornaments. Use a sharp object like an ice pick or a skewer to create a hole at the top of the cork. Make sure it's wide enough for your ribbon or string to pass through. Get creative. Add decorative items like buttons, beads, or jingle bells using craft glue. You can make snowmen, reindeer, angels, or any other holiday-themed designs. Thread a ribbon or string through the hole you made earlier and tie a knot. This will be used to hang your ornament on the tree. If you're hosting a Christmas dinner, wine cork place card holders are a charming way to guide your guests to their seats. Use a craft knife to carefully cut a small slit into the top of the wine cork, deep enough to hold a place card securely. Paint the cork to match your holiday theme. You can go for a classic red and green or any other color that suits your table decor. Slip your place cards into the slots you've created. You can get creative with fonts, colors, and designs to make each guest's experience unique. Garlands are a fantastic way to add charm to your Christmas decor, and wine cork garlands can be a unique addition. Clean and dry your wine corks before you begin. Use a craft knife to create a hole in the center of each cork. If desired, paint the corks to match your Christmas color scheme. Thread the twine or string through the holes in the wine corks, alternating between plain and painted corks. Leave enough twine at each end for hanging. Add small ornaments or other decorative elements between the corks for added visual interest. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the environmental benefits of recycling wine corks in your Christmas decorations. Using wine corks in your crafts can be a small but meaningful step toward reducing waste and promoting sustainability during the holiday season. Here are some key advantages. Every year, billions of wine corks are discarded, adding to landfills and contributing to environmental problems. By repurposing them in your decor, you're diverting them from the trash and giving them new life. Corks are made from cork oak tree's bark, which naturally regrows. So, by reusing cork, you're helping to conserve the natural resources and habitats associated with these trees. Manufacturing new materials and products can have a significant carbon footprint. When you use wine corks in your decorations, you're reducing the need for new materials and the associated carbon emissions. DIY wine cork decorations allow you to express your creativity and make unique, personalized items for your home. It's a win-win for your creativity and the environment. Your wine cork decorations can be a conversation starter, helping you raise awareness about recycling and sustainability during the holiday season. Remember, recycling wine corks is just one example of how small changes in your holiday decor can have a positive impact on the environment. It's all about being mindful of the choices you make. Before we wrap up, let's go over some tips and tricks to make your wine cork Christmas decorations look their best. Ensure your wine corks are clean and dried before you start crafting. This will help the paint and glue adhere better. Be careful when cutting or handling wine corks, as they can be a bit tough to work with. It's always a good idea to use a sharp craft knife and protect your hands. When painting wine corks, it's a good idea to use acrylic paint. It adheres well to the cork surface and comes in a wide range of colors. Apply multiple thin coats for the best results. Mix and match painted and unpainted wine corks for added visual interest in your decorations. Use a strong craft glue or a hot glue gun for a secure bond. Be sure to let your glued items dry thoroughly before hanging or displaying them. Experiment with different types of ribbons or strings to match your decor. Satin ribbons add elegance, while rustic twine can create a more natural look. Get creative and personalize your wine cork decorations. Add your own unique twists, colors, and designs to make them truly your own. So, there you have it, folks. Some fantastic ideas for using wine corks in your Christmas decorations, all while reducing waste and helping the environment. Whether it's wine cork Christmas trees, wreaths, ornaments, or place card holders, you can add a touch of eco-friendly charm to your holiday season. Wine cork Christmas decorations offer an opportunity to celebrate the season in a creative, eco-friendly, and sustainable way. By repurposing wine corks into beautiful ornaments, garlands, coasters, and more, you not only reduce waste but also add a touch of rustic charm to your holiday decor. It's a win-win for the environment and your home's festive spirit. These additional crafting ideas, coupled with the environmental benefits of recycling wine corks, should inspire you to get creative this holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more creative and eco-friendly holiday ideas. If you have any questions or your own wine cork decoration ideas, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you.